Greetings viewers, this is Promzy the English Doctor. I am here again to take you on idioms and their meaning. This idiomatic expression class will be very interesting, I promise you. This number one is telling us to sit on the fence. How do you use sit on the fence in a statement? You want to tell somebody to be neutral over a matter, like, please, on this matter I will implore you to sit on the fence. You are telling the person to be neutral. Don't side anybody, just be neutral. Do you love it? That's very interesting. This number two is saying to give a cold shoulder. Instead of telling someone to ignore somebody, just tell the person, give him or give her a cold shoulder. Number three is to let sleeping dogs lie. Instead of telling someone, please avoid quarrel, just tell the person, please, I know you can actually do something, but I'll beg you to let sleeping dogs lie. Number four, to keep at an arm's length. While telling someone to avoid contact with somebody, just tell them, please keep him or keep her at an arm's length. You have told the person to avoid contact with them. Number five, to keep somebody posted. That's a very advanced way to say, I will keep you informed. Keep posted. Don't worry, I promise to keep you posted over the matter. That's saying, I promise to keep you informed. You get? I promise you that the class will be very interesting. Thank you very much for watching. I'll keep on uploading videos that will be interesting, educating, and will make you not just learn how to speak English, but understand English.